I've often said that San Francisco is a tale of two cities. And right here in the Tenderloin, I think is where that tension is felt. You can feel the wealth, and then you feel the suffering. The San Francisco Community Health Center is a people of color led and serving organization. Last year in 2022, we served well over 5,000 folks across all of our programs and services. Empathy and acceptance and love, that's what my work is all about. As queer people, that's so critical. I think so many of us have come from families that didn't accept or actually hurt us for being who we were. I grew up in Hawaii. You know, it's a beautiful place, but as a closeted gay young boy, it wasn't as idyllic as most people think when they think of Hawaii. And so for me, it was important that I found my way out. I focused on my educational path, and that got me to Chicago. That's where I cut my teeth becoming a clinical social worker, and that was a huge part of who I am as well. I moved to San Francisco to work here. This organization was a beacon for me. Gilead has been walking alongside our journey here at San Francisco Community Health Center for years. They're more than just a funder, they're a collaborator. They've seen us grow and they believe in the work that we're committed to doing. When I think about how we're going to ensure that we take care of the most vulnerable, especially when we think about all of the advances we've seen with respect to HIV, people experiencing homelessness and trans communities are where the work has to focus because there is such incredible stigma and backlash and discrimination. We're about to open our new location for Trans Thrive just up the street, and I couldn't be more excited. This is a dream come true for all of our trans staff members. They need a space that is run by the community, for the community, as safe and as supportive and as nurturing an environment as possible. I suppose in some perfect state, we wouldn't have to fight for basic rights, whether that's housing, whether that's healthcare, whether that's acceptance. Everything I do is about creating as inclusive of a community as possible. I always think about what is the most radically inclusive community that we can envision. Under all of that, it's love and kindness, compassion, and empathy.